Good morning, children. In this session, I am going to continue with exercise 21B. The topic is volume and surface area of solids of class 10 ICSE. Today, I am going to discuss question number 11. Question number 11. I will read the chart. Water flows at the rate of 10 meters per minute. The water flows at the 10 cylindrical pipe. First part, I will take cylindrical pipe. In that, water flows at the rate of 10 meters per minute. So that is nothing but we can take the flowing of water 10 meters per minute. In the sense, we can take the length of the cylindrical pipe or height of the cylindrical pipe. Height of the cylindrical pipe is equal to, they are saying, 10 meters. This implies converting to centimeters. Because all other values they are given in centimeters, so therefore this is 1000 centimeters. Understood now? Next, 5 mm in diameter. Diameter is equal to 5 mm. This implies 5 by 10 meters. 5 by 10 meters. We can say 5, the radius is equal to, we can say, this implies radius is equal to 5 by 2 mm. This implies 5 by 2 into 10, because 10 mm is equal to 1 centimeter. So therefore this becomes 5 by 20, 5 ones, 5 fours, that is 1 by 4 centimeters. 1 by 4 centimeters. This is a cylindrical pipe. How long would it take to fill a conical vessel whose diameter at the base is 40 centimeter? Conical vessel. Conical vessel. So the water is coming from the cylindrical pipe and it is filling the conical vessel. So they are given some data about conical vessel. Diameter they are given 40 centimeters. This implies radius is equal to 20 centimeters. Similarly, they are given depth. Depth is nothing but height is equal to, how much they are given? 24 centimeters. What they are asking is, they are asking how long it would take, that is time to fill conical vessel, that they are asking. Okay. Now volume of the cylindrical pipe, in the sense volume of the water which flows in 1 minute, you can say. Volume. So required time is equal to volume of the water, we can say, of water that flows in 1 minute by, we can divide it by volume of the conical vessel. Volume of conical vessel. Okay, that is equal to. So the volume of the water that flows in 1 minute is nothing but a volume of a cylinder, because the water is flowing through the cylinder. So what is the formula to find the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h, isn't it? That is equal to measured by this. Okay, measured by the volume of the vessel, conical vessel, by volume of volume of water that flows in 1 minute. 1 minute. So volume of the vessel is nothing but 1 by 3 pi r square h by the 6 pi r square h. That is equal 1 by 3 pi cancel 1 by 3 into what is r square, that is volume of the vessel. R is 20 into 20 into h is 24 by r square here. What is r square? 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into h is 1000. 4 ones, 4 twos, 4 fives, 4 zeros. 4 ones are 2 twos, 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 fives. 2 under 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 remains, 2 fives are 10. Okay. Here 3 ones, 3 eights. So what happens here? That is equal to 400, 20 into 20, 400 into 8 into, we can take the reciprocal, 2 by 125. 25 5s are 25 1 to 25, 15 will be 25 6 to 50. Correct? Now 32 into 8, 32 into 8, 256. 62 is 32, 32 into 8, 256 by 5, 5 ones, 5 fives, 5 ones, 5 twos, 51.2. So that is 51.2, we can convert 51.2 minutes. 51.2 minutes we can say. 51.2 minutes. Okay. So what we did, first we wrote the data of cylindrical pipe, next we wrote the data of conical vessel. Time to fill conical vessel. So time to fill conical vessel means volume of the vessel divided by volume of the water that flows in 1 minute. So therefore, substitute the values in the formulas. Volume of the water that flows in 1 minute is nothing but volume of the cylinder. So substitute the values, cancel it, you get the answer 51.2 minutes. So note down this sum. In 12th question, first one, conical tent is there. It can accommodate how many persons? 11 persons. Okay. And space required for each person is 4 meters square of space is needed. Okay. Volume of the air to breathe for each person is needed 20 meters cube. Now we can find out area of the base of conical tent. Why? Because number of persons are 11. For each person they need 4 meters square of space. Therefore 11 into 4 meters square, that is nothing but 44 meter square. This is nothing but we can say pi r square value. Correct? Pi r square, area of the base is nothing but pi r square. Next, volume of the tent also we can find out. Volume of the tent, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is equal to, how we can find out? For each person they need 20 meters cube of air to breathe. How many persons are there? 11 persons. So therefore 11 into 20. That is 21 to 20, 21 to 20, 220. That is equal to 220 meter cube. 220 meter cube. Now, what they are asking us? Find the height of the cone. So now, find the height of the cone. So height of the cone is here in this. Okay. Now, volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. They are given. Already they are given the value. 220 is equal to 1 by 3 into. They are given the pi r square value 44 into h. This implies. It will not cancel, therefore cross multiplication 660 is equal to 44 h. This implies h is equal to 660 by 44. So 11 fours, 11 sixes. Okay, 4 ones, 4 ones, 4 fives. That is 15 meters. So what is the height of the cone? Height of the cone is equal to 15 meters. Understood? So this is the answer for first part. Third on this. So in the 12th question, they told how many persons can accommodate in a conical tent? 77 persons. What air is needed? What volume of air is needed for each person to breathe? 16 meters cube. They are given the radius of the base, height of the cone you have to find out, and covered surface area of the cone. Now, volume we can find out easily. Volume of the cone is equal to how many persons? 17 persons, 77 persons into 16. See. 16 7 are 112, 112, 122, 123 meter cube. Isn't it? That is volume. So volume of the cone, we know the formula. V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So we know the value 1, 2, 3, 2. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r means 7 into 7 into h. 7, 7 cancels. Cross multiply. 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3 is equal to 7 2 is 14, 7 2 is 154 h. This implies h is equal to 3696 by 154. 154 into 2. 308. 154 into 3. 462. So 369 minus 308. So 154 ones, 154 twos. So 616. So 154 4. 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 21, 21. 4 154 4. So that is h is equal to 24 meters. We got the h value. Correct? First note on this, of course, I will find out the curved surface area. So I love this first part. I want find out curved surface area. Before finding out curved surface area, I want to find out L. L is equal to root of R square plus H square. That is root of R is how much? 7 square. Plus H square is how much? 24 square. That is root of 49 plus 576. 576 for 49. 625. That is equal to 25 meters. Now I can find out what is curved surface area. Curved surface area is equal to pi r. 22 by 7 into r is 7 into L is 25. 7 cancels. 22, 25 into 22. 10, 50, 10, 50. So 550 meter square. So that is curved surface area. Okay. So note on this. A right circular cone is there, that is radius is 1.6 centimeter and height is 3.6 meters. It is melted. Then what happens? They have made one more right circular cone having radius 1.2 centimeter. But what is the height of that cone? That means we have to equate the volume of the cone, original cone, is equal to volume of the new cone. This is first cone, this is second cone. Volume of first cone is equal to volume of second cone. 1 by 3 pi r square. You can say, use capital, you can say pi r square h is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h small. So here obviously cancels. Now what remains? R is 1.6 into 1.6 into h is 3.6 is equal to. Here R is 1.2 into 1.2 into H. So therefore H is equal to 1.6 into 1.6 into 3.6 by 1.2 into 1.2. That is equal to 1.6 into 16 into 36 by 12 into 12. 12 ones, 12 threes. 3 ones, 3 fours, 4 ones, 4 fours, 4 6 are 24, 6.4 meters. So that is not meters, centimeters. So that is the height of the cone. Height of the cone, new cone, or second cone, you can say. Note on this. In 14th question, if you see in textbook, a solid metallic cylinder of radius 3 centimeter and height 5 centimeter is melted. It is also melted to form some cones, number of cones. We don't know how many number of cones are there. So each cone they have given radius 1 mm, that is 1 by 10 centimeter, because 10 mm is equal to 1 centimeter. Similarly, height they are given. Height is equal to 1 centimeter. Each height is equal. But how many cones are formed, we don't know. So what you have to do? Number of cones is equal to volume of the cylinder by volume of the cone. Okay, one cone. So number of cones is equal to volume of cylinder by volume of one cone. Volume of one cone. That is, what is volume of cylinder? Pi r square h by volume of one cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi cancels. That is r square. R means 3 into 3 into h is 5 into down r square is 1 by 10. That is into 10 into 10 into, so I write here 3 into 3 into 5 into 10 into 10 into h is how much they are given? 1 centimeter. That is 1. You have to multiply. So this is a line. 9 5s are 45 into 100. 4,500 cones. So answer is 4,500. So this is a line. 9 5s are 45. So volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, that we know. Volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Pi into r square means 3 into 3 into h is 5 centimeter by 1 by 3. Oh, 1 by 3 is here, no, that I left. So that is equal to 10 into 10. So what I should do is, so this is r square h by, writing that down only, 1 by 3 into r is how much? 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into 1. So that is 45 into 3 into 10 into 10. 3 5s are 15, 12, 13 into 100. That is 13,500. 13,500 cones we can make from this cylinder. Okay? So what you have to do? Number of cones is equal to volume of the cylinder by volume of one cone. Substitute the values and simplify. You will get the 13,500 cones. Okay? No numbers. In question number 15, a conical vessel is there and it is filled with some liquid. Radius is 12 cm, height is 50 cm. It is empty. So we are vacating this liquid into some cylindrical vessel. It is having radius 10 cm. Now we have to find out up to what height this liquid will be stored in the cylindrical vessel. Now, that is nothing but a volume only. So volume of cone is equal to volume of cylinder. That is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to pi r square h. Pi cancels. 1 by 3 into r is 12 into 12 into h is 50. Is equal to r is 10 into 10 into h. Now 3 ones, 3 fours. 48 into 50 is equal to 100 into h. This implies h is equal to 48 into 50 by 100. 5 ones, 5 twos, 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 fours. So 24 centimeters. So up to what height the liquid is filled in the cylinder? Up to 24 centimeters. Note down this sum. 24 centimeters. So by this I will end up this session. In the next session I will continue with 16 to 20 sums, and by that the chapter will be completed. Okay, so note on this.